Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to add your debit card to Apple Wallet in 2025. Whether you're using it for quick contactless payments, online shopping, or even transit, Apple Wallet makes everything seamless and secure. This process is straightforward, but we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you don't miss a beat. First off, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Head to Settings, General, Software Update to check and install if needed. This keeps everything compatible and up to date. Now, let's get started. Open the Wallet app from your home screen. If you can't find it, just use the search function. Once you're in, look for the plus icon in the upper right corner and give it a tap. This opens up your options for adding new cards. Next, select Debit or Credit Card from the menu that appears. You'll then be prompted to either scan your debit card using your iPhone's camera or enter the details manually, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Choose whichever method feels easiest for you. Scanning is usually quicker if your card is handy. After that, Apple will need to verify your card with your bank. This might involve receiving a one-time verification code via text message or through your banking app, so keep an eye on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. It only takes a minute. Once verified, your debit card will be added to Apple Wallet, and you're good to go. A quick tip: not all banks support Apple Pay in 2025, so double-check with your bank first to avoid any issues. Also, for extra security, always use Face ID or Touch ID when making payments. That's it, you've now got your debit card ready for all your Apple Pay needs. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you run into any problems. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.